This segment of Delmarva Life is brought to you by Stanley Steemer.
Think for a moment about the vital organs in your body. Likely high on that list, your lungs. Part of keeping you healthy is, of course, keeping them healthy.
And by a similar token, air ducts are considered the lungs of your home. Taking care of them is crucial, and that's why our friends at Stanley Steemer are happy to come to your home for a routine cleaning, especially this time of year. Here's Delmarva Life's Katie Zarilli.
It's spring cleaning season, and Eric Farrell of Stanley Steemer is directing attention to your air ducts.
Air duct cleaning is important because the air ducts are the lungs of your home. So all the air that you're breathing is being distributed through those air ducts. So coming up on the time for spring cleaning, you've been in the home all winter long, avoiding the cold temperatures outside, and you've been using your heat more. So your system's getting more use. During the winter time, you have just naturally dry skin, so you have more dust that is being produced in the home. So spring cleaning is a great time to clean out your full heating and air system, get the ducts clean, so that way you're breathing cleaner air.
He says Stanley Steemer's air duct cleaning process starts with a free inspection.
So prior to us signing anyone up for air duct cleaning, we always want to do an inspection to verify that your system needs to be cleaned, but also just verify what's going to be entailed, because not every home is the same. There's different components in different types of heating systems, so we want to make sure that we're addressing all parts of the system the right way.
From there, it's a thorough operation.
A full system air duct cleaning is usually going to be all parts of the ductwork, so your supply ducts that are distributing the air to the rooms, and then your return air ducts, which are taking in air to take back to your air handling unit to be heated or cooled. And in addition to cleaning the ductwork, we're also cleaning all the internal components of your air handler or furnace. So the blower, motor, the coils, every part of the system that air passes over is getting a thorough cleaning.
You might think, pish tosh, you could handle this on your own. Eric says, think again.
Sometimes we'll have customers that give us a call and they want us to come out and do a free inspection. They tell us that, usually during spring cleaning I'll take my vent off and I'll stick my vacuum down there as far as I can reach. And usually what we end up finding is as far as they could reach might be a foot or two, when in reality there's a combined hundreds of feet of ductwork that accumulates lots of dust and debris.
Not only do they have heavy-duty equipment to take on the task, they've also got trustworthy technicians.
So at Stanley Steemer, what separates us from other air duct cleaning companies in the area is most importantly our staff. So they're highly trained. All of our technicians are NADCA certified. NADCA stands for the National Air Duct Cleaners Association. So they work internationally to create the standard to which air duct cleaning is to be performed. So all of our technicians go through a very extensive training and testing process to gain the certification, and then yearly have to go through additional training and retesting to maintain the certification to stay up to date with industry standards.
If you're anything like me, it doesn't seem like an exciting part of the home to have cleaned because you can't really see the change. Stanley Steemer will show you, though.
So a lot of times with air ducts, they're out of sight and out of mind. So you can see the register that's accumulating dust where you're changing out the filter, but you're not seeing all of it. So that's why with Stanley Steemer, we're providing the inspections where we're able to take pictures inside of the ductwork to show you what is actually in there. And then following the cleaning, we'll take more pictures, to verify that everything's clean and be able to show that to you.
Beyond that, you'll have peace of mind knowing the air you're breathing is good for you.
Air duct cleaning is proven to improve the air quality in your home. So when that air is passing over years of dust accumulation in a duct system or debris that's left behind from construction, there's always the risk of taking bacteria and spreading it throughout the home.
Eric adds that anything his crew can do residentially, they can also do commercially, so that folks everywhere will breathe better and in turn, live better.
And Eric says it's common to pair air duct cleaning with any other type of cleaning Stanley Steemer performs, and it just makes so much sense.
Yes.
I was telling Katie yesterday, we've been in our house for 28 years. We've had like maybe 5 or 6 pets over that time. I can't imagine what's in my air ducts.
Time to take care of that, huh?
Absolutely.